Okay. Now we discuss about the second body, the cell, its structure and functions. Cell, its structures and functions. Already you know about the lesson. Already discussed previous class. Okay. So two types of main cell. One is the plant cell and second one is the animal cell. Okay. Plant cell and animal cell. Cell wall, cell membrane, vacuoles. Okay. So different parts are two different part in plant cell and two different part in animal cell. Okay. And one more prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. Prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. Eukaryotic cells are different and prokaryotic cells are also very different. Okay. So this is the typical cell, and this is cell membrane. Okay, and this is nucleus, and this is cytoplasm. And this is mitochondrions. And this is Golgi complex Golgi apparatus. Okay, and this is endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum, or shortcut in ER. Okay, so these are typical one of the typical cell. Okay, already you know about and already discussed about different types of organelles. One is the mainly nucleus. Okay, lysosomes. Okay, ribosomes. Okay, mitochondria, Golgi complex, right, endoplasmic reticulum, and one more plastids. The plastids only present in plant cell only. Okay, they are only seen in the animal cells. Okay, only present in plastids. These are called organelles. Okay, so cell structure and functions already know about previous class, and before in your 8th class also. Cell the basic unit of your life. Yes. Okay, so actually the different types of scientists you can discover and invite invitations to so some topics in the cell world, and nucleus and cytoplasm, mitochondria, Golgi complex, and endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, the part of the total cell theory or cell biology. The father of cell biology, Albert Claude. The father of cell biology, Albert Claude. Okay, the father of cell biology. The father of cell biology. Actually, who is the father of cell biology? Aristotle. But in the cell biology, Albert Claude, Robert Brown, Robert Cook, Anthony Leeuwenhoek. Okay, the so many scientists different types of use the microscopes. One of them is the compound microscope, and one of use the electronic microscope, and one of use the single lens microscopes. Okay, so but in total cell biology and cell theory, the Albert Claude, the father of a cell biology. Okay, so these are types of different types of cells in the organelles in this there. So this is the mitochondrions. Okay, and the nucleus, the total fluid, and the different types of organelles are floated the fluids. That is a cytoplasm, Golgi complex or Golgi apparatus, and endoplasmic reticulum (ER), and one more plastids only present in a only for plant cell, only for plant cell. Okay, so now we discuss about the mitochondria and Golgi apparatus and endoplasmic reticulum and plastids. Okay, so okay, so this is the organelles of the mitochondria. For example, the see the mitochondria. See, only it is observed in the electron microscope. Why? Because it is very small organelles in the cell, typical cell. Okay, so actually the mitochondria are two layers. One is the inner layer and second one is the outer layer. One is the inner layer and second one is the outer layer. Okay, so in the inner layer, the like a folding structures, that folding structures called a cristae. Folding structures is called a cristae. Okay, the totally the folding structures in the fluid, so that is the fluid will be always wet in condition. Why? Because wet in condition the mitochondria in living organisms. Okay, so that's why the folding structures in called the always wet in condition, the fluid called also matrix. The fluid called also matrix. What is the use of the matrix? Always wet in condition inside the mitochondria. Okay, so the total inside, inner side and inner membrane, and the outer membrane. What is the use of outer membrane? The use of the outer membrane is to protect them other organelles in the typical cells. To protect them other organelles in the typical cells. That is the use of outer layer. Okay, the size of mitochondria is the 0.01 to 0.05 wide, and the breadth is to 1 to 7 breadth. Okay, and each cell, the mitochondria are 100 to 150 nearly every cell in the mitochondria. 100 to 150 every cell in the mitochondria. Why? Because the 100 to 150 mitochondria always the cell provide into the other organelles. The cell provide energy into the other organelles. That's why the mitochondria are the powerhouse of the cell. The powerhouse of the cell, and that is the mitochondrion. Okay, so and one more lysosomes. Okay, and one more ribosomes, and one more here endoplasmic reticulum. The lysosomes are suicidal bags of the cell. Suicidal bags of the cell. Why? Because lysosomes are suicidal bags of the cell. Can touch any other organ cells in the body or any other cells in the cytoplasm in the cell. The lysosomes are very smooth and very rare part and very small in size. That's why the cells are dead. So that's called the lysosomes are suicidal bags of the cells. Suicidal bags of the cells. And one more term, endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, so in the cytoplasm, the endoplasmic reticulum like okay, so these structures are endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, in this endoplasmic reticulum are two types. One is the RER and second one is the SER. One is the RER and second one is the SER. RER, rough endoplasmic reticulum, and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, when we the endoplasmic reticulum, the ribosomes are attached or scattered in the cytoplasm. That is called a RER, rough endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum. And one more smooth endoplasmic reticulum. They have no any ribosomes like that. So these are different between the scattered are attached by the ribosomes. That's why the ribosomes are rough, just like smooth. Just touch. Can you touch that part? That is rough. So that is rough endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, and the ribosomes when we touch the very smooth in condition, that is a smooth endoplasmic reticulum. What are the difference between rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum? The scattered are attached to the ribosomes. That's the rough. They have any ribosome, that is the smooth. Okay. So and that is the one more thing, the plastids. One more thing, plastids. Okay, and one more organelles in the typical cell. This is belongs to only for plant cell. Why? Because the chloroplastids are present in only plant cell, plastids are absent in animal cell. Okay, so this is the example for chloroplast. Okay, so actually plastids are mainly three types. One is the colored, colorless, and white in color. Okay, colorless, and white in color. Okay, so three types of plastids: colored, chromoplast, and chloroplast, and leucoplast. Okay, so these are mainly three types of the plastids. One is the chromoplast, second one is the chloroplast, third one is the leucoplast. What are the three different between chromoplast and chloroplast and leucoplast? Chromo means different types of colored. That is called a chromo. Chromo means different types of colored. So you observed in some fruits and some flowers also. Okay, that's already when we go to the by bus or by anyone, we observe the different types of plant and besides the roads. Okay, and some plants are very tall and some plants are very big. Some plants are very small in size and some plants are very big in size. Okay, the small plants are the big plants, but the flowers and the fruits also different colors. That is the what is the difference between the chromoplast pigment is present on that. That's why the different types of flowers colors and different types of fruits. Okay, suppose see a mango fruit. Okay, the when we starting season in the mango, it is in green in color, and after some days it's like in some light yellow or light pink, and after that fruit in red or pink color. Why? Because the different types of pigments present on the fruit, that is the chromoplast. And like one more example, tomato. Okay, first in green in color, and after that like yellow in color, and after that red in color. Okay, so that is the fruits, different types of the colors. And flowers also. Some flowers are yellow, like marigold. Some flowers are white, jasmine, lily. Okay, and chrysanthemum. Okay, and some flowers are red, and some flowers are pink, like rose, white rose, yellow rose, red rose, pink rose. Okay, different types. And some flowers are like in the one more example, jasmine, lotus in white, marigold. Okay, so many different types of colors. Why? Because the chromoplasts are present in that different colors of fruits and flowers also. Okay, that is the main importance of the chromoplast and chloroplast. See, you only observed in the green color. Okay, all plants are leaves what in color? Green color. Okay, so example, the drawing of the chloroplast. Okay, and this is the outer layer, and this is the inner layer. Okay, and this is stroma, and this is granum. this is lumen, and this is thylakoid. This is chloroplast. Okay, chloroplast, what is the color? Green in color. What is the main use of chloroplast? Trap the sun, that is called photosynthesis. Okay, trap the sunshine and solar energy converted into the potential energy. That is use of the photosynthesis. Okay, so in the granum and stroma are two layers. Granum or stroma are two layers. In the present in the humans, the use of the absorb the sunlight and to example used by the photosynthesis, to prepare by the own food material depend. They have any depend on the other animals or other plants. That is the use of the trap the sunlight to absorb the sunlight and absorb the solar energy. Okay, so this is the example of the chloroplast. Only green in color. Green in color. Suppose see an observation leaf. So the leaf is green in color. Why? Because chloroplast pigment present in the leaf. Okay, so that is the leaf in all leaves in green in color. What is the prepared by the leaf? Only food by the photosynthesis. Okay, in the presence of sunlight, water, carbon dioxide, the plants prepared by the whole food material, that is called as photosynthesis. Trap the solar energy. Okay, in the leaf, in observation the compound microscope or electron microscope, the leaf are very small holes on the leaf. Okay, so that is a okay, so that is the use of the chloroplast. Okay, so next you discuss about leucoplast. Leucoplast. Okay, so leucoplast, leuco mean already say white in color. White in color. After some leaves show white in color. White because they have many chlorophyll and they have many chloroplast and they have many chromoplast. That's why some leaves are white in color. That is the importance of the plastids for plant cells. Okay, mainly three types. One is the chromoplast, second one is the chloroplast, and third one is the leucoplast. Okay. Golgi apparatus and Golgi campus. Golgi complex or Golgi apparatus. Okay, in 1898, Camillo Golgi he observed in these organelles. Okay, so actually these organelles have three parts: lumen, crystals, and vesicles. Okay, so actually it is in the use of protein synthesized by the in the typical cells. Protein synthesized and ribosomes are scrapped and ribosomes are attached by these organelles. These organelles also two types of the membranes are formed sac-like structures. One is the inner layer and second one is the outer layer. Okay, so and this is the use of Camillo Golgi observed in the stack structures like proteins and ribosomes synthesized by the other organelles. Okay, so this is the use of the Camillo Golgi or apparatus and Golgi complex observed find out in 1898. Okay, so this is the cell structures and functions. This is the second lesson. Okay, yes.